Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, safe and secure at your home. So children, today we are going to study social study and this is our second chapter. The chapter name is the parallel and the meridians. What is the parallel and the meridian? So children, when somebody comes and asks you any address, what will you do? You say reference like behind the lake, behind the school, near the school. So this was the reference. So like to find the location of places on earth, we need certain imaginary lines as reference, that is called the parallel and the meridians. That is called the parallels and the meridians. So today we will study about the parallel and meridian. These lines are called the parallels and meridians. So because our earth is very big, हमारी अर्थ क्या है, बहुत बड़ी है. So what is this? See, this is our earth. And to find the location, to find the places on earth, we draw some imaginary line. We draw some imaginary line, that is called the parallel or the meridians. So this is the parallel. This is the parallel. These lines are called the parallels lines. So, अगर कोई आपसे कोई एड्रेस पूछता है चिल्ड्रंस, वेयर इज योर एड्रेस, एंड somebody asks you to find the other address, so you give the reference. What reference you give? जैसे behind the lake, lake के पीछे है ना, and near the school, school के पास में. So these are the reference. Likewise, to find the location of places on earth, we need certain imaginary lines. We need certain imaginary lines, that is called the parallel or the meridian. This was the meridian. This was the meridians and this was the parallels, and this was the parallels, because our earth rotates on axis. Let's see our earth. This is the our earth. This is our earth. It rotates on its axis, that is this is called the axis. It rotates on its axis. ये अपनी ही axis पे क्या करती है, चक्कर लगाती है. An imaginary line drawn from the center of the globe. This is the imaginary line. Scientists draw the imaginary line, so that cross the center of the earth. ये कहाँ से होकर जाती है? This is the center that cross the center of the earth, and it end points called poles. This was the end point. This was the end point of this imaginary line. So these end points are called the poles. These endpoints are called the poles. Poles are used as two fixed points. The top is the north and the bottom is the south. Top pole को क्या कहेंगे? That is the north and the bottom is the south. So this is the imaginary line. Scientists draw the imaginary line एट द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. ये सेंटर अर्थ के सेंटर से होके पास होती है. So this was the axis. Earth rotate in its axis. हम जनरली क्या लिखते हैं? Not. But the correct one is that. So Earth rotate on its axis. So the light passes through the center of the Earth and here the end points are called the poles. उसके जो end points रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Poles. So here the top is the north and the bottom is the south. टॉप पार्ट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? नॉर्थ एंड द बॉटम पार्ट को साउथ पोल. सो यू हैव रेड दैट द अर्थ इज स्फेरिकल इन शेप. दैट इज स्फेरिकल मींस गोलाकार. हमारी अर्थ क्या है? राउंड. इट इज राउंड एंड स्फेरिकल इन शेप. और टू फाइंड द लोकेशन, फाइंड द लोकेशन to find the location of place on earth, we can draw certain imaginary lines. That is the imaginary lines are called parallel and meridians. Parallel and meridian. इससे हमें लोकेशन पता पड़ती है कि कौन सी कंट्री, कौन सा सब कहाँ पर है. टू फाइंड द लोकेशन ऑफ प्लेस ऑन अर्थ वी ड्रॉ सर्टेन इमेजिनरी लाइन that is called the parallel line or the latitude, and this is called the longitude. This is the longitude, or we call the meridians. This line are called the meridian, and this line is called the parallel, and this line is called the meridian. So why it is used? It is used to find the location of places on earth. ये क्यों यूज होते हैं? ये लोकेशन फाइंड करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. So this is an axis. Our earth rotate its axis. That is the end point are called the poles. इसके end point को poles कहेंगे. That is the top one. The poles are used as two fixed points. The top is the north and the bottom is the south. Now our next point is what is the parallel? Parallel. What is parallel? So you have to draw a circle. This is our earth. See, this is our earth because our earth is the spherical in shape. So this is our earth. A set of circle is drawn on the surface of the globe. This circle run from the east to west. Now this is this line. See, this is the imaginary line that we draw on this circle. So these are called the parallels. These are called the parallels. What is this? A set of circle is drawn on the surface of the globe. These circles have some here lines are there. So this is, and it runs from east to west. It runs from, this is the east. So it runs from like this. This is the circle, a set of circle. This is the circle. Okay. Now and it moves east to west. ये कैसा घूमता है? East से west. And our axis rotate on west to east. The earth एक्सिस रोटेट्स ऑन वेस्ट टू ईस्ट। ये कैसे घूमती है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट। See this, west to east, and this parallel rotates on east to west like this. Okay, so this circle rotates from east to west. So these circle runs from east to west, that are called the parallels. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Parallel lines or lines of latitude or lines of latitudes means latitude line. Okay, this is lines of latitude or parallel. What we can say? The parallels or the lines of latitude. Now the earth is in this circle, the earth is divided into the two equal parts. Into the how many parts? Into the two equal parts by drawing an imaginary line, the midway between the north pole. See here, that is the northern hemisphere, and this portion is called the southern hemisphere. Okay, the midway part of north, that is the northern hemisphere, and the midway part of the south, that is the southern hemisphere. It has two endpoints, that is the small circle in this, that is the north, and it is the south. So the midway between the north, that is the northern hemisphere, and the midway between the south, that is the southern hemisphere. Now what is the equator? The line that we draw at the mid, जो बीच की जो लाइन है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? इक्वेटर. That is the equator. This line is called the equator. It is the longest line. It is the longest line and 0 degree. And what is its degree? 0 degree. And what is this line? This is the longest line. This is the longest. The part of the earth that lies in the north of the equator, that is the northern hemisphere, and the part of the earth that lies the southern part, that is the southern hemisphere. जो पार्ट इक्वेटर के नॉर्थ में आएगा उसको नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, एंड those part that lies on the south of the equator, that is the southern hemisphere. Okay, so this part means see, an equator divides the earth into the two equal parts, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. See, okay, so this part is called the northern hemisphere, and see children, this is the north and this is the south here. Now, and this part, this is the equator. This longest line, this is the equator. And the part that is south of the equator, that is called the southern hemisphere. इस पार्ट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. एंड इक्वेटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लाइन. equator is the longest line. In all parallel it is the longest line. सबसे बड़ी लाइन कौन सी है? The equator. The other half is known as the southern hemisphere and the other half is known as the northern hemisphere. Okay? Now, so what we learned? 3 circles we have learned that this is the earth and this our earth is rotate on axis. So that is the scientist at the imaginary line. Okay, this is the imaginary line that cross the center of the earth, and this is called the north pole and this is called the south pole. The two endpoints here, the two endpoints are called the poles. These points are called the poles. So this is the north pole and this is the south pole. The top is the north pole and the bottom is the south pole, and it rotates. Our earth rotates from west to east, like this one. Okay, like this rotate, west to east. Okay, and this is, we talk about the axis. Then we move toward what is the parallel. Parallel क्या होता है? Okay, the set of circles that we drawn on our earth. हमारी अर्थ पे कोई सर्कल नहीं है. It is the imaginary line. Scientist ने क्या है? That is the imaginary line to find the location on earth. So that is the circles. These are not lines. These are the circles. In parallels and this is the a set of a circle. Here that is circle. Here is also the circle. So these all are the circle set. Okay. So these are the circle, and which is the longest line? The equator. Equator is the longest line and its degree is 0 degree. And what is this? The path. This is the pole, north pole and the south pole. The part that lies at the north of the equator, that is the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies at the south of the hemisphere, that is the southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. And parallels, this circle rotates from east to west, like this. Here is east to west. So this circle rotates from east to west. See. Okay. Now these are called the parallels line or the line of latitude. Now important features of parallels. What are the important features of parallel? Important features of parallel. So what are the important features of parallel? First one is all parallel are complete circles. So these are the complete circle. These are here. So these are the complete circles. So these lines are the complete circle. Okay. So the first feature is all parallel are complete circles. All parallels are complete circles. These are also the complete circle. These. Okay. Now the second one is ascent from the north pole and the south pole. North pole, this is the point. Okay. So this is not a circle. Here is the only point. So this is ascent from the north pole and south pole. All the lines the north pole and the south pole. Now the second one is the length of the parallel. The length of the parallel decreases. The length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator. As we move away from the equator. So what is the next feature? That is these circles, the lines, the length of the parallels decreases. Means see, this is the longest line and the above part, इसके जो ऊपर का जो पार्ट है फिर क्या होता है, डिक्रीज होता है. The length of the circle decreases. Means first at the equator these are this type, now decrease, then decreases, then decreases. So this is the length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator. जैसे जैसे हम इक्वेटर से दूर होएंगे तो ये जो सर्कल है इसकी जो लेंथ है वो क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज होने स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, कम होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. Here also decreases. This is the longest line and see decreases. So as we, the length of the parallels decreases as we move from the equator. Now the third one, and towards the poles also. Third is all parallel are located at an equal distance. Equal distance means parallels means, see, these circles are called the parallels and they are located at equal distance. Yes, equal distance पे होगा. इस सर्कल और इस सर्कल की जो डिस्टेंस है वो सेम होगा. देन इस सर्कल और इस सर्कल का भी डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, सेम होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ का छोटा और इसका बड़ा होगा. So the length of the all circles, the parallels are located on a equal distance. So the distance between the parallels are equal. Okay, suppose ये क्या है, पैरेलल्स है, इनका जो डिस्टेंस है कितना होता है, 1 डिग्री. ओके, सो ये 1 डिग्री यहाँ पर भी होगा, देन 1 डिग्री अनदर सर्कल पे होगा, 1 डिग्री अनदर, एज वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द साउथ फिर 1 डिग्री पे बनेगा. देन जो लाइन जो सर्कल्स है फिर 1 डिग्री पे, देन 1 डिग्री पे. सो द डिस्टेंस आर इक्वल, द पैरेलल आर लोकेटेड it an equal distance. इनका जो डिस्टेंस होगा, the distance between these parallel are equal. इसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो कैसा होगा, इक्वल होगा. That is 1 डिग्री. ओके, इसका जो डिस्टेंस है कितना रहता है, 1 डिग्री. हर जो सर्कल बनता है कितने पे, 1 डिग्री पे. So the distance, yes, what is this, the parallel are located at equal distance. Now the fourth one is parallel neither touch nor cross one another. Parallels neither touch nor cross one another. Means this parallel एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करते ना एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करते. ओके, सो दिस बिकॉज इट्स नेम इज द पैरेलल, सो दे रन द पैरेलल, दे neither touch or nor cross one another. ये ना एक दूसरे पे टच होती है ना एक दूसरे से क्रॉस होती है, इंटरसेक्ट करती है. सो बिकॉज दिस इज द parallel, so it move only the parallel. See, they neither touch nor cross one another. So what are the main features of this parallel or the lines of latitude? That is, the first feature is the all parallel are complete circle. These parallels are complete circle. These are the complete circle. This is not line. These are the circles. ये क्या है? These are the circles. Now second feature is the length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator, because equator is the longest line, so the length of the parallel decreases. इसके बाद का जो length है वो क्या होती जाएगी? When we move towards the pole, it decreases. Okay, and this side also decreases. So the length of the circles, the length of the parallels decreases when we move away from the equator. Now the third one is all parallels are located to an equal distance. Okay, the distance between of all these parallels are equal. जो distance रहेगा हर parallel का वो क्या रहेगा? Equal रहेगा. The fourth one is parallel neither touch nor cross one another, because these are the parallel line that neither touch and nor intersect another. Okay, so these are running the parallel. So that's why we call the parallels or the lines of latitudes. Clear? Now we read how are parallels numbered. How are they numbered? How are parallels numbered? इनकी numbering कैसे होती है? How many lines are there in these parallels? So the question is, how are parallels numbered? So we start from the equator to mark as 0 degree latitude. So this is the longest line. And what is the value of the equator? That is the 0 and this is the degree. What is the value of the equator? Equator that pass जो midway जो बीच की line होती है, it is the longest line of this parallel. And what is the degree? That is the 0 degree. Okay. Now 0 degree to 90. So these lines, that is 0 to 90 at the north and 0 to 90 at the south. Means what is this? The parallels are marked by, see this. There are 90 parallel line in northern hemisphere and 90 parallel line in the southern hemisphere. See, this is the north pole and this is the south pole and this is the equator and it is the 0 degree. Now how many lines are there in northern hemisphere? Equator to northern hemisphere there is 90 lines. Okay, how many parallels are there? There are 90 parallels. Okay, कितने parallels होते हैं? 90 parallels and the distance between, इनका जो distance होता है वो क्या होता है? 1 degree. And the distance between the each parallel, that is the 1 degree. So how many parallels are there? There are 90 parallels at the north. So we can write 90 degree north, because these are the parallel line of the northern hemisphere. So we write this N for northern hemisphere and S for southern hemisphere. Suppose and this also, how many parallels are there in southern? There is 90 parallels are there in the southern hemisphere. So now imagine that this is the degree south. What we write? 45 degree south, because this part was in the southern hemisphere. So we write S for southern hemisphere. What? S for southern hemisphere, and degree also write. And we write for northern hemisphere we represent by the N, and degree also mentioned. So how many these latitudes are there in northern hemisphere to the equator? There are 90 latitudes, 90 parallel lines are there in northern hemisphere, and up to the equator from the southern hemisphere there are 90 lines. Okay, and one line is the equator. So how many total? There are 181 parallel are there. How many parallel? There are 181 parallel including इक्वेटर. इक्वेटर को मिला के कितने पैरेलल्स हो गए? 181, because 90 degree northern hemisphere and 90 degree southern hemisphere, and 1 this is the equator. So total is 181, which is 181 parallels are there including the equator. If we include equator, so how many parallels are there? There are 181 parallel are there. Clear? Now what you have learned? What are the parallels? क्या होते हैं parallel? These are the set of the circle that run east to west from the equator. ये क्या है? Set of circle that runs east to west. ये कैसे मूव करते हैं? East to west, and the part that is on north to equator, in between the part that is the northern hemisphere, and the mid part of the equator and the south, that is the southern hemisphere. And what is the degree of the equator? That is the 0 degree. Okay. Now children, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.